Hello everyone, I am the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 156 summary. In this first clip, we can see more Russian armor and equipment being sent into the Kherson region from the Crimean Peninsula. In this video, a Dji Maverick used by the Kraken Special Forces unit is targeting Russian forces and destroying them. And it looks like this soldier has taken a nap. We can now see the drone moving further down the street, and it appears that it is surveying the remainder of the damage, and a large fireball has now occurred on the street and is exploding. We're not sure what the fireball is caused from. It's most likely a vehicle or some kind of fuel storage, and we can now see the drone looking at other vehicles further down the street and also observing that very same fireball. Just east of Kherson, a Ukrainian artillery barrage was able to knock out the Antonovisky railway bridge, as we can see here in this film. The damage is substantial enough that it has broken the railway ties and most likely compromised the structural integrity of the bridge, allowing for no more trains to cross. As you can see there is a bit of minor damage. Thank you all so much for watching. If you would like to subscribe, we do run nightly streams at 10 PM Eastern Time every single day of the week except for Mondays, covering the past 24 hours of the war. Thank you all once again, and I'll see you in the next one.